Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. And the look we're going to be working on today is actually a recreation of a look that I saw on BH Cosmetics YouTube. This lovely lady, she looks like Khloe Kardashian. She's absolutely beautiful. She done this Poolside Glam look and using one of their new palettes, and I thought that I would recreate it because not only did I love this look, easy for you guys to recreate, and it's using affordable drugstore makeup Profusion Festival palette. Isn't this palette so much fun for summer? As always, we're going to start by priming our eyelids, and I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer. And here is our Profusion Festival palette. So very beautiful, and I believe this was under $13. I'm going to put the names of the eyeshadows in the description box below with the product list. So we're going to be taking this orange kind of peachy shade and mixing it with a light skin tone brown, very light shade. This is just going to be mixed together between the both of them, and I'm just going to windshield wiper that messily in the crease. This is basically your crease and transition shade. It's very easy, just buff that in there and you're done. So next up, I'm going to take a combination of this light golden yellow shade mixed with a shimmery pale yellow, and I done this so I could try to mimic the shade she uses on her lid the best that I can, and I think we done a pretty good job. And if you have any pale yellow shimmery shade, it will probably work perfect for this. I'm just using a shader brush to apply that on the lid messily. And then we're going to buff the edges of the crease and the lid color together, mesh them together, become one. And next up, I'm taking the Color Workshop's Brow Highlighter, and I'm using that for my brow bone. And I am not going to take it down extremely far like I usually do. I'm literally just going to stamp that into or under the brow in the highlighted spot where I want it. And then I'm just going to buff the crease color in with that. And usually I take it around all the edges and stuff, but it's kind of shimmery, so I just wanted that pop of shimmer on the highest point of my brow. And we're going to tight line using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner like always, and I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk, and I'm going to use that in the inner corner, and I'm going to line my waterline with that as well, blend it out a bit. And next up, we're going to be taking this very beautiful, bright, very loud yellow. It's matte, and we're going to be placing that in the inner corner. Bring it up a little bit onto your lid shade and in your crease, just the tiniest little bit, just for blending purposes. And we're going to pop the most saturated part of that in the inner corner. And that's that. Next up, we're taking this beautiful minty blue shade here, and we're going to pop that in our waterline. Now, do this if you don't have color eyeliners, or to make any color eyeliner you want. Now, if you're new to putting eyeshadow in your waterline, it may burn a bit, but it'll go away. So just use a white pencil like I did and pop any shade on top to make any color eyeliner. Yes, so much fun. We're taking a slightly deeper blue than the one we used in the waterline, and I'm popping that to the lower lash line. And I'm using a stiff shader smudger brush. Yes. So blend the yellow in with the blue just a bit to create a soft green, and that's our eyeshadow look. And this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, or Lash Sensation. Anyways, amazing mascara, highly recommend it. I love how my lashes look, and I believe it's only like $6 or $7. Like, hopefully they still have it, because I need to get a new tube too. And this is Maybelline's 920 Nude Lust. Big surprise, I love this lipstick, and it goes perfect with bright looks, regular looks, dark looks, all kinds of looks. And of course, that Dollar Tree fan and the Believe Beauty setting spray that I'm testing out. You'll learn more about that in future video. And here is the finished look. I am loving this look. I'm actually wearing the same look again today to the grocery. I absolutely think it is stunning. So beautiful, very easy way to wear color if you're afraid. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We'll definitely stay tuned for more. Check the description box for a product list. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already.